Let's talk about what's happening behind the scenes because the architecture is actually simpler than it looks. The entire desktop is powered by Docker. Instead of installing Linux directly on the host system, we are launching a container based on Linux server's webtop image. That image provides a complete desktop environment that can be accessed remotely through a browser. In this case, we are using the Debian XFCE version, which gives us a lightweight and responsive graphical interface. The Docker Compose configuration handles deployment. It pulls the image, creates the container, maps the necessary ports, and starts the desktop environment automatically. Once the container is running, the graphical session becomes available through the browser. That's why the setup feels almost magical. We're not streaming from a traditional virtual machine. We're interacting with a containerized desktop environment that has been optimized for browser access. And the best part is that setting it up requires surprisingly little configuration. So if you want to create your own version, here's the basic process. Start by creating a Code Sandbox account. Once your account is ready, you'll receive 400 free credits to get started. Next, click on Explore Templates and choose the Docker template. Give your project a name and select the machine specifications. Keep in mind that higher performance machines consume credits much faster, so choose a configuration that matches your needs. After that, click Create and Code Sandbox will begin preparing your environment. Once the workspace loads, open the terminal. First, paste the command that creates the Docker Compose file. You'll see a new Docker Compose.yml file appear in your project. After that, run the second command to launch the Linux server webtop Debian XFCE container. The Docker image will automatically download if it isn't already available. Depending on your connection and the server load, this may take a few minutes. When the deployment is complete, a preview link will become available. Open it, and you'll be greeted by a fully functional Debian XFCE desktop running directly inside your web browser. One thing you may notice is that cloud workspaces can occasionally become inactive after a period of inactivity. To help reduce interruptions, I use a small JavaScript activity script that periodically generates simple activity events. This helps keep the workspace active while I'm working or recording demonstrations. And that's it. You now have your own browser accessible Linux desktop that you can launch whenever you need it. What started as a simple experiment turned into a surprisingly useful setup. We successfully deployed a complete Debian XFCE desktop inside Code Sandbox, explored its capabilities, and built everything using Docker containers. Let's keep pushing this setup to its limits and explore some of the remaining apps to see what actually works and what doesn't in a cloud hosted sandboxed environment. To start, I went ahead and installed Shortcut, which is a notoriously heavy, resource intensive open source video editor. I wanted to see if a container like this could handle rendering a full timeline UI. And honestly, it's working remarkably well. The interface scales cleanly, menus drop down without lag, and it's proving that this environment can handle much more than just simple text editors or basic command line utilities.